So I love sneak peeks. Here we are looking at our primary bath with the pull-down teak bench and grab bars for our owner who's got challenged with her balance and really doesn't do anything without her walker or a person. But this is quite a spectacular master bath. You can see here, when you come up off the elevator on the second floor, the light is just beautiful when we get the elevator in, but this is really quite something. And I just wish I had this kind of a spa retreat to come to when I wanted to take a bath and just unwind. Ciao for now.